All-Stars. Miss Cocozza here, your very own school psychologist with a very important message for you all. We're going to talk about a tool today, and this is a tool that can help you, and it can help you not only at school, but at home too. This tool focuses and helps us practice better skills with two different areas. It can help us with our self-regulation skills. That means how we manage our bodies, how in control of our bodies are we at any point. And emotional control. This means when we have really big emotions, good or bad, what do we do with those emotions? So the tool I'm about to tell you about helps with self-regulation skills and emotional control. The tool is called the Zones of Regulation. And you may have heard of this already, All-Stars, or seen it around the school. We're all kind of in different places with our understanding and knowledge about zones. But our goal this year is to make it a tool that everybody is familiar with. Everyone knows the words. We all can use the language associated with this tool and know what each other means and help each other. So let me tell you a little bit more about it so we can all be familiar. The first thing you need to know to use the zones is that it involves 4 colors. The 4 colors are green, blue, yellow, and red. And in each of these, we call them zones, each of the color zones, there are different feelings associated with those colors and zones. So when we're in the green zone, how we may be feeling is happy, calm, and ready to learn, which is really the zone that we want most of our school day to be in, and we'll talk more about that, All-Stars. Blue, we may be feeling sad, bored or tired, or disappointed. Those would be blue zone feelings. Yellow, we might be feeling nervous, shy, frustrated. Those would all be feelings that we might experience in the yellow zone. And then red. Red is when we're really mad, super scared, we might be in the red zone, and just very, very upset. Like we're past frustrated, which is yellow, we're out of control of our bodies in the red zone. So now that you know the colors and that we use them to tell a little bit about how we're feeling, I want to do some examples, because when we have big feelings, it's important to first recognize which zone it might be in. So some examples for us, All-Stars. If you're outside at recess and your friend doesn't want to play with you and you're feeling kind of alone, I think I might be in the blue zone. I might be kind of sad if my friend didn't want to play with me. And that's okay. We're going to work on tools to get back to green. If I went to school and I had a brand new pencil case that one of my friends took without asking, I had no idea where it was, and I'm getting more and more frustrated, going from yellow to red, I might be really, really mad. You can ask yourself another question, All-Stars, to practice with this. What zone are you in right now? Like I said, I hope you're feeling in the green zone, but we're going to talk about strategies for if you're in any of these other ones. Another point I want to make with this, All-Stars, is that it is okay to be in these different zones. None of these zones are bad. It's not bad to be in the red. It's not bad to be in the yellow. Not bad to be in the blue. It's not always, we don't always have to be in green. We might be in different zones throughout the day, and that's okay. I just want us to focus on when we're not in green, what are some strategies that we can have in our toolkit to know how to get back? Because at Hoffman Boston, we want to respect ourselves, others, and our surroundings at all times. And it's probably a little easier to do that when we're in the green zone. Even if we're having other zone feelings, that's okay. We can't control our feelings sometimes. Something sad may happen or something may frustrate us, and that's okay. But you are responsible for your actions. You are responsible for how you respond to things that happen to you. And so that's why we want to help you think about what are some strategies we can use to get back to green if we're in these other zones and we're maybe not respecting ourselves, others, or surroundings. We got to get back to green. We got to always respect ourselves, others, and our surroundings. So I have some strategy ideas for you, All-Stars. Lots of them. So, something with this before we jump in on what they are. Different people benefit from different strategies. So something that makes Miss Cocozza feel better when I'm sad or mad might not make you feel better, and that's okay. You need to spend some time thinking about which ones do actually help you feel better when you're not in the green zone. So some people might like to read, kind of take your mind off whatever's bothering you, think about something else. That's a very popular one. You might like to exercise, get some movement in, take deep breaths. Use some positive self-talk, so saying to yourself, I can do this, or I'm strong, or I'm brave. All these kinds of words can help us feel better. You might like to count to 10. That's a very popular one for a lot of my kiddos. Drink some water. Sometimes we just need a sip of water, kind of help us reset. Listen to some music. Give yourself a big hug. Stretch. Draw or write, or ask for help. So these are a lot of examples. There's more. You can come up with some more with your class or at home that may help you, but here are just some ideas to get your brain going. All strategies to help you if you find yourself not in the green zone, to get back to green zone as quickly as possible, because the green zone is where we're ready to learn, and that's where you want to be most of your school day if you can. So try to think about which strategies help you, All-Stars, and let us know. These steps that we've went through today are first to learn the colors, try to memorize some of the feelings that go with the colors, and start practicing using this at school and at home to let others know how you feel, and then make that plan for when you're in these other zones. How do we get back to green? So this is going to take practice for all of us, All-Stars. This school year, we're really trying to work on this together. So let Ms. Cocozza and your teachers and people at home know how you feel about zones of regulation, because it helps us know how you're feeling. So we hope you like using them, All-Stars. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.